crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside.
I am so hot and I haven't even started to cook. So in here I have a whole chicken. Just took it out of the freezer. I'm just going to pour some water over it and let it defrost. So I found this in my wardrobe the other day when I was cleaning. Never worn it before. I feel like one of my aunties gifted this to me. Anyway, I just feel like putting on some Somali music right now.
This feels so good.
Imagine I'm so hot and I haven't even started to cook. I mean, I do have an AC here, but it's just so weak, it doesn't do anything. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Uba, and if you're new here, then welcome. I'm going to show you how I make my famous chicken. A lot of you guys wanted to know how I season it, and I promise you it's super easy. I am not even the best cook, but I've heard this chicken pretty damn good. So I'm going to share it with you guys today. I'm going to have to cut up this whole chicken. And you guys, I've never cut up a whole chicken, but I saw my friend do it the other day and it didn't look too difficult. So I've got my knives.
Do you wash your chicken or not? Because if you don't, you're nasty. You're nasty.
Pour this water out because it was defrosting. Oh my god, you guys, I don't think I can do it.
Like, I've never held a chicken.
Oh my god, the way I was washing it, I stopped 10 times. It looks like a baby. And it's heavy. And it feels so real, all the limbs. But now I have to cut it, ew. Yeah, this is the worst cooking video ever. I mean, I love the legs, the wings. I love it, the thighs. That's the best part. Okay. I just don't want to. Oh my god. Have you guys ever held a chicken like this? I swear, even my fingertips are like tingling right now. Okay. It looks like a baby. Ew. I'm so sorry. Just don't want to touch. I was gonna say this baby, this chicken. Wow, it still has all its limbs. Stop. Stop. It's the wings, come on. You love the wings. I just cannot touch this with my fingers. I feel like I need a hammer or something. Hey, genius. Like, I don't mind touching the wing, you know, or the legs, but this whole thing assembled like this? No, thank you. Hello, leggy. Okay, the insides don't really look too pleasant. Wow, this is fascinating. Guys, I'm gonna cut this up, otherwise I'll be here forever because I'm all exploring the insides of a chicken. But let me know if chickens and humans have the same type of organs. I know they have kidneys. Do chickens pee? I think they do. So they must have kidneys. But do they have liver? Where are the lungs? Where is the heart? Oh my god, I have to find the heart. I'm sorry, it's really gonna bother me now. Yeah, they have lungs. Okay, the head is not attached, so I can't see the brain, but they have lungs, they have kidneys, they have a liver, they have a spleen. I think chickens are humans. A pancreas, large intestine, small intestine. Oh my god, I think we're related somehow. But where is the heart? Did you guys notice? I might sound stupid, but I really didn't know. Ah. You know what? They took everything out. Well, everything that wasn't edible, I think they took it out. It's meant to be pretty packed in here, but this is a very hollow chicken. Ah, sour, sour. Now I get it. Rinse this off one more time before we can start seasoning it. So I've washed the chicken, rinsed it another 2 times. Now we're going to season. For seasoning, I use quite a bit. Chicken masala is a must. So I get all my seasoning from Careful. So chicken masala, onion powder and garlic powder. We need curry powder. Yes. Some chicken bouillon. I think I'll use a whole one. It's quite a lot of chicken. But normally I use half. Black pepper. Then we want some... We'll do a little bit of cayenne pepper just for a little kick. Just a little kick. You know, I don't like spicy food. But a little kick won't hurt. Coriander powder. Yes. And salt. And then we add a little bit of cumin. What else? I think that's about it. Yes. That's all we're going to be using. I usually don't measure, but I'm going to see if I can somehow estimate how much I use of everything with a teaspoon. Let's start off with a generous amount, a whole teaspoon, okay? You know what? Let's go for 2 teaspoons. Chicken masala. Now we're going to add some curry powder. Again, we're going to start off with 1 teaspoon. It's a lot of chicken, you've got to remember. Okay, so 1.5. Next we have coriander. So for the coriander, I'm only going to use that much. Garlic powder. We love garlic powder. So 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and then onion powder. So 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Next we have cumin. So for the cumin, we're going to use... So cumin, I won't be adding too much. Black pepper, about that much. I'm already adding cayenne pepper, so I don't want to make it too spicy. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit. That's it, tiniest amount, about that much salt. Chicken bouillon. So this already has quite a lot of sodium. And then we are going to add olive oil. A lot of olive oil. Oh my god, alhamdulillah. If you ain't sneezing, you ain't seasoning. That's what they say. So it might seem like a lot, but I promise you it's not, because I've only seasoned one side. So to get the most out of your flavor, I recommend letting this marinate for 24 hours. Actually, I might, because I'm not going to eat all of this. And I promise you tomorrow it's going to taste so good, because all the flavors have like marinated. So I usually put that one on because that's the one with the fan. I'm gonna put it on 180 and let that preheat. I'm only gonna cook 2 pieces today because I know I'm not going to finish all of this, of course. And I know tomorrow it's just going to taste so much better because 24 hours of the chicken just soaking up all these flavors. It's going to taste so much better than today. But don't get me wrong, it'll still be good today, I promise. So that was literally it, guys. That's all the seasoning I've added. So I don't know what to make with this dish. I have some zucchini, like courgettes. These baby broccolis expired yesterday, but I'm sure they're still fine. I don't want to have any starch for today. Yeah, I don't want to eat this. Never mind. So I'll guess no broccoli for me. Zucchini with what? I just want to make something quick because I'm really hungry. No rice. I know rice is quick, but I've had rice so many times this week. Let's put some oil on the tray. And then I want to have this piece skin down. So I'm gonna make these 2 pieces today. I'm just waiting for the oven to preheat. I only marinate my chicken overnight when I have a dinner party or, you know, a guest coming over, but for myself, usually on the day. I season it and I cook it, but because I've got so much, I'm only cooking for one person. So this is tomorrow's chicken. It's gonna taste so good. Oh, that's ready. I have a very hard time knowing when chicken is done, so I always overcook it, but people say 40 to 50 minutes should be fine, but I'm gonna cook mine for an hour. I put on a timer for 25 minutes and then I flip the chicken, then put on another timer for another 25 minutes and then flip it one more time and then cook it for 10 minutes. So in total it'll be an hour. So I'm gonna go tidy all of this mess up. To be honest, I don't think I made that big of a mess. I really haven't. So I'm gonna tidy this up and try to figure out what I'm gonna have with my chicken. I might just go for a salad, honestly. About the African phantom, it's so sweet. So guys, that was the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do give this recipe a go and let me know what you think of it in the comment section. And of course, if you guys want to see more cooking videos, do let me know as well. I'm thinking lamb chops or different ways of seasoning chicken because honey garlic wings. What do you think of that? Bon appetit. So good. Cooked to perfection, of course. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. It's perfect.